I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure cellular data is enabled and your carrier plan includes tethering because the phone won't offer a hotspot otherwise. Once done, check signal bars and iOS version. Older builds sometimes hide hotspot options. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot to access the toggle. Don't skip this step. If the toggle is missing, restart the device next. That simple reset often restores system services and reveals hidden settings you need to continue. Next, you perform targeted resets that resolve most software conflicts. First, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to reload radios. If that fails, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN elements that can block hotspot functionality. Once reset completes, reconnect to your carrier and re-enable Personal Hotspot. If the hotspot still will not appear, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh account settings. Finally, pursue advanced remedies. Check for an iOS update and install it, since firmware fixes often restore hotspot features. If that does not help, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is provisioned on your account. As a temporary workaround, use USB tethering or Bluetooth to share the connection. If persistent, back up your iPhone and perform a full restore via Finder or iCloud. This reinstalls system software and clears deep faults. If problems continue, provide your carrier and Apple support logs for escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.